Hey everyone, this is Ryan. I'm going to show you how I kind of started my Facebook list for summer recruits. As you can see right now, I'm just on my page. So I'm going to go to the news feed. And as you can see on the left hand side, it's going to say explore. And you're going to go down to friends lists and click on that. And so here's my summer recruits list. If you haven't started making this list, you just press create list and it pops up right there, and you just give it a name and start adding members to it. So I'm gonna click on mine here. So basically everything that people are posting that are in my friends list come up here, so we're able to like and comment on random things just so they know that we're seeing their stuff. And then here is all the people on my list. So right now I have 758. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. It's really easy to add people too. You just go to see all and then friends, and then as you scroll down you can see who isn't on the list and just click them and that person will be added, and then just finish up.